Okay, I got my Christmas in July Secret Santa swap. This is a swap that was hosted by Carol at A Crinkled Path, Trish, Angela, and there's another co-host, I'm sorry, but I'm going to link everybody below. So the package I got had that little note on it, and I opened package 1 in this video, and it's amazing. And I suddenly feel like the person that I gave to might be a little disappointed because I feel like the person who gave to me went above and beyond, and I'm not quite sure I did that, but let's take a look here. So good. Is the folio tag? Yeah, it opens. Look at it. Lovely. It's beautiful. I love the mix of the textiles. The dragonfly. That's pretty good. It opens. Look, oh, it's got a little pocket with some lace here. This is a vintage current recipe card or address card. So cool. I don't think I've ever had one of those. Some little bugs. Cute. Oh my gosh, it's purple money. Okay, I'm sorry, I don't understand how this one works. There we go. Oh, cute. Cute. Something fell out of this too. I'm not sure which it was. Look at this. It's gorgeous. Vintage Hallmark. It's so bright. I don't know what this is from. It's Milton Bradley. Beautiful. And look at this one. Fabric pocket. It's delightful. It's embroidered. I love the use of the staple. I love to mix the metal with the textiles. Also, vintage playing card. Oh, another one. Look, twinsies. Very cool. From nature. This is pretty cool. I like this drawing. These are amazing. some more bugs. Oh, look, inspection tag. Very cool. Thank you for all your hard work on these. They're amazing. I feel like I didn't, the person that I gave to is going to be disappointed if this is the bar. So, but I appreciate it, and I love the colors and all of the bugs, and I can't wait to see what's in package number 2. And thank you so much, and thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.